Corona fears affects turnout at 28 ZKYF in Hamran. Dimahasa BJP clarifies speculation over change of CM. Hello and welcome to Kirby Live. I'm Jillian Sipi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. Following the strict COVID-19 guidelines on assembly of people in the district, only few numbers of people turned up at the Hamran Habe Dengja Sports Complex, where the 28th Zonal Kirby Youth Festival is underway. Not only the district administration, but the organizer Kirby Cultural Society has also issued strict guidelines for public to follow the COVID-19 preventive protocols, including wearing of facial masks, use of hand sanitizers, and maintenance of distance among the people at the venue has also led to the massive drop in the turnout of people at the venue. The reception committee secretary Chatra Pator, however, told media person that a total of 13 KCS units have reached to participate in the zonal festival. The organizer also informed that only 10 members were sent from each KCS units to this year's zonal festival. Kirby Autonomous Council EM in charge of irrigation, town and country planning Mongol Singh Timung, EM Rup Singh Teron, MLA Dr. Man Singh Rongpi are expected to grace the event. Meanwhile, Hamran Municipal Board Vice Chairman Het Singh Rongpar, ex-Kirby Autonomous Council Board Chairman Krishna Prasad Barma, Haberiso Singh Teron, HMB Ward Commissioner Lahore Crow were present at the event on Friday. Daniel Inghi report from Hamran, Kirby Live. Preparation for the 28th edition of the Zonal Kirby Youth Festival is underway at Sancti Mili in Havarkehat. Construction of venue are being carried out on an expected pace in presence of reception committee leaders. Due to the prevailing situation in the country and around the world, the event here would be only held for one day on October 26. The Kirby Cultural Society told media persons that the decision was taken following the threat of COVID-19, which is still very high. The organizer said that the program would be held in the best possible manner, during which a lot of events would be held. The organizer also informed media that the one-day festival would be held with the support of EM Khon Singh Rongpi and Kirby Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Ritesh Inghi.
Silalo non kiwangi indeng korana kep habar ke haralo habar Kirby risoni surong aje bangso rong aje long ilitu habar ke haralo ru ke phodo bangsoro kre phong bong nilitum patumi umri humpat pen khengom angke rutin ben tame tiripi central committee ben kapin khap kacepatia sonamong nar kep ambong tamelang itu intin ben atipati ponji pu bangke nil kemambirta bang na pidono
si nilitum phan arpu na pegateng pen nilitum mahin pen tame sai ciklem pon bom lo sai pacun pon bom lo lapen la bangso sai klem along ilitum harahat pen ke Kirby Autonomous Council long EM sar Khon Singh Rongpi medical EM alang listam militum han ya kitjeng pen pinian tame nang cerang ceturun bom lo lapen alang li ning nang pat heduna teng pen sini tame sai tame pacun pon bom lo.
The one-day ZKYF would be held under the leadership of KCS Havarkehat Zone President Ruhin Terang, Secretary Noran Rongpi, Reception Committee President Paniram Timung, Secretary Rubul Teron, and Finance Secretary Ganesh Inghi. Harsing Rongpi's report from Havarkehat, Kirby Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Welcome back after the break. Under the initiative of the Kirby Cultural Society Umrongso Zonal Committee Dimahasau, the 28th edition of the Zonal Kirby Youth Festival was celebrated at Arlong Ingnar Club, premised in Choto Langlai. The event was led by Umrongso Zonal KCS President Kur Rongpi and General Secretary Ram Singh Ronghi. Due to the global pandemic which have instilled fears in the minds of people and amid several restrictions given the district administration, the event was restricted to just a single day. The program was organized in a very poor condition this time, as all the KCS teams was unsatisfied due to the incessant rainfall and foggy weather in the entire Umrongso for the past 3 to 4 days. Only very few events could be organized due to the poor weather. In addition to this, there were lots of inconveniences to the participating teams as well as the organizer. The program was also attended by Commandant of the 5th ABPN, Sontila Haflong, Commandant Patrick Ronghang, APS as the chief guest, along with local MAC Joy Singh Durong and Umrongso Town Committee Chairman Danish Derang. From the KCS Central Committee, Hinchong Tiso, Francis Timong and Rohila Rongpipi were also present as observers. Linson Ronghang's report from Umrongso, Kirby Live. The Mahasau District BJP President Don Painon Thausan had on Thursday during a press release said that speculation over changing of CM Debolal Gorlosa is baseless and is work of opposition party to defame BJP in order to gain political mileage for the forthcoming assembly election. Thausan said in a press meet held at its office in Haflong in presence of NCHAC EM for Medical Samuel Changsan, Maibang constituency MAC Bijit Langthasa and newly joined BJP member and former Congress leader Hamjanan Langthasa. He said that speculation over change of CEM was shown in some section of media on Wednesday from state capital. It says that the present North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council MAC Rahul Naiding will be the next CM and have full support from both the state and central government. Thausan further stated that Rahul Naiding is also from BJP, so if any decision has been made by the higher authority, then they would be obviously informed, and about the police case, there is court to judge. He added that development in Mahasau is taking place at a faster rate under CM Debolal Gorlosa and BJP government than any leader or party, and we need more dynamic leader like him. EM Changsan condemned a particular channel that aired half-cooked news and wants a clarification how they named next CM without valid information. The BJP also condemned derogatory speech made by Z Nunisa against the CM over social media. Nunisa is the CEO of YouTube-based news channel NDH and was former youth leader from Assam Gana Party. On Tuesday last, Nunisa uploaded a video in social media where he criticized the CM and insulted him with derogatory words. BJP had demanded that apology from Nunisa. In a separate press meet by Dima Jalai Hosom, a unity organization for ex-DHD cadres, they condemned Nunisa's speech where he called the CM a Gunds extremist or Gunda and demanded his unconditional apology. General Secretary Provin Hagjar stated that they were one who fought for their rights and therefore are not Gunds. Many of them were martyrs for our land, and it was they who renamed our district into Dimahasau, Hills of the Dimasas. He said that using such words was an insult to them and those who have laid down their lives for our land.
Agar sa gunda siapa, agar sa gunda lagi dia agar sa gunda jaha. Era naik, jadi udah bukan sekarang hancur dah.
मद्देनजर रखते हुए स्टैंडर्ड गवर्नमेंट स्टैंडर्ड प्रोटोकॉल जो है उसको मेंटेन करके पूजा भी अच्छा से मनाई और साथ में सबका आगे से सब भी स्वस्थ रहना है, साथ में परिवार को भी बचाना है। तो उस हिसाब से आगे का जो पूजा है उसको ये कोविड प्रोटोकॉल को मेंटेन करके अच्छा से पूजा मनाने की पार्टी का तरफ से सबको अनुरोध है।
Suraj Burman's report from Haflong, Kirby Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Kirby Live.